I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. With nearly 3,000 square feet and a unique wraparound view of the Moorings Bay, Doctors Pass, and the Gulf of Mexico from both the residence and its private rooftop terrace, you simply can't ask for more. This 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath property will provide infinite pleasure for the buyer who enjoys watching dolphins, manatees, and pelicans glide past them daily. Located in Admiralty Point, you possess immediate and private access to both the beach and the bay. This property boasts hurricane impact windows throughout, a private rooftop terrace and pergola, full baths in each bedroom, and views of the Gulf from both sides of the property. Wake up in your spacious master suite overlooking both Doctors Pass wildlife as well as the mesmerizing Gulf waves. Then enjoy a relaxing breakfast in your eat-in kitchen, separate dining room, or your rooftop terrace. However you spend your day, make sure to end it on your extended balcony watching the restful sunset over the water. Admiralty Point 1 sits at the cusp of Doctors Pass as it flows into the Gulf of Mexico and offers a peaceful and up-close sightings of dolphins, fish, and water birds. This large community, located on 10 acres of waterfront property, offers extensive lifestyle amenities, including boat docks, 2 clubhouses, a new fitness facility, 2 Har-Tru tennis courts, a kayak launch, and a kiddie pool. And unique only to Admiralty Point, both sunrise and sunset pools and spas to enjoy from morning to night. Contact me for more information on this listing or any of your real estate needs in Naples.